6.
Self-made beats.
7 X-ray beats.
What's going on, guys? I'm over here at Memphis Darkside's house. Yes, I got a haircut. I had my hair like this previously. I just was too lazy to do it again, but I'm over here with him. I don't know what we're doing today. Here.
Damn, that some bitch right there, it just snapped clean off. It'll be alright though. I can take the Dremel and I can just kind of cut that down some. Get this old glue off. I don't know if it's nailed in there or what. Alright, so what I need to do now is I need to take the Dremel and I need to kind of cut that down right there. Matter of fact, let me grab my glasses. So go ahead and do that. I think that is that. So whenever I go to put the feet back on, what I do is that I just make sure to put the holes on the left and the right side. So that right there should be good. And I need to figure out if I know there's a left and right somewhere, but got to figure out where. Take some Titebond glue. And I'm gonna do that like that, and now I'm just gonna let it run down in the crack a little bit. Hopefully it does exactly what I want it to do.
Go ahead and tell them, just for the fucking shits and giggles.
No, I just gotta let my drill charge up. I mean, damn cold weather, killing all my batteries and shit, but yep, got.
Well, guys, I'm just sitting in here waiting for Memphis Darkside to get back in here. He's still waiting on his battery to charge in that grill. In his drill, he got both feet back on the footstool. It's just one. He has to put another screw in. So he's waiting for his battery to charge in his drill so he can do that. And now we're just chilling. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Subscribe for more content, Twitter, Instagram, links in my channel description. Drop some likes on this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one.